Oh, cool. This is what I wanted. Quebec North Shore and Labrador locomotives. The 30th of December 2021 at about 2:15, I guess, and they came through here at Valois. So for anyone who doesn't know, the Quebec North Shore and Labrador, that railroad is not actually connected to the North American railroad system. It's on the north shore of the St. Lawrence River, and the only way for those locomotives to get to where they're going is a ferry at Metane, Quebec, on the south shore. So 4 of them are sitting there or have been delivered already. And these last 2, and we'll see here, DPU unit. Those last 2 are headed to Metane to be ferried across to the Port of Sept Illes in Quebec. So those locomotives, you're never really going to see them unless they're being ferried across, or if they're like being transported along CN or CP to the GE plant in Erie, Pennsylvania, I guess. And those are the last 2. I'm just happy I got them, even if it's maybe not the ideal location. So this train will be headed through St. Henri. Maybe I can catch up to it, maybe I can't, I don't know. I could try. But this is the train that's gonna make my day. That's the end of the train here at Valois. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.